In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Asana desktop app from your Asana project. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account in your web browser. Once you're in, open any project you have access to. It can be a test project or a real one you use daily. The steps are exactly the same. You'll see the usual Asana layout with your project name at the top and your tasks listed below. At the top of the screen, near the project title, look for the highlighted area or icon that opens your project's options. Depending on your layout and updates, this might look like 3 dots or a small menu button. Go ahead and click on that highlighted menu. This is where Asana keeps a lot of the project-level settings and tools. From the menu that appears, look for the Settings option. This is usually labeled clearly as Settings and may have a small gear icon next to it. Click on Settings. A panel or dialog will open, showing different tabs related to how your project behaves and what features are available. Inside the Settings area, look for the tab labeled Apps. This is where Asana connects with other tools and also provides quick access to its desktop app. Click on the Apps tab to open it. Give it a moment to load if needed. Within the Apps section, you should see an option related to the Asana desktop app, along with a download button. This is the button that will take you to the official download page. Click on Download. Your browser will then open a new tab that leads to Asana's download page. On the Asana download page, you'll see a clear call to action, usually labeled Download Now. This page automatically detects your operating system, whether you're on Windows or Mac OS, and prepares the correct installer for you. Click on Download Now, and your browser will start downloading the installer file. Once the file has finished downloading, you can open it from your browser's downloads bar or from your downloads folder and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installing, you'll be able to log into the desktop app with the same account you use in the browser, keeping all your projects and tasks in sync. That's all you need to do to download the Asana desktop app starting right from within your Asana project.